Southwestern Alamance County, Northeastern Randolph County, Southeastern Guilford County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northeast of Randleman, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Graham, Pleasant Garden, Liberty, Alamance, Climax, Lake McIntosh Marina, Lake Guilford McIntosh Marina, Forest Oaks, and Snowcat. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Guilford, and Randolph.